Hi, Brianna. How you doing? Okay, so somewhere over the rainbow, and I do believe that I think the quote here is too long. I think that you could end up getting rid of this whole second half of the quote because I don't think there's room for it in this composition. I think somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly is really an ample quote that you could use. So I think I would recommend removing the bottom half of that quote, really concentrating on this. Okay, right now I think that the main thing that we have is the one thing that's really impeding any kind of communicative value here is just this the. It's stacked and it's not aligned and it just looks really random and I think it's impeding the overall success of the typographic composition. I would definitely reconsider that. Matter of fact, I also would like to see you experiment a little bit more with scale. And right now you're using this typeface. You're using two typefaces. Let me see. Is that, let me see. Okay, yeah, that's the same typeface, I believe. Uh, yeah, I think that's the same typeface as this. So they're using two typefaces, this script face as well as this sans serif modern typeface. So think about scale, okay? So you're going to use a whole picture plane. So somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. I think this is a really interesting concept right here, is creating a rainbow with the word rainbow and using the color accordingly. So let's do this. Try this. Try really composing that large, like that rainbow. That's the emphasis. That's the focal point, okay? Once you establish that rainbow, you can take bluebirds fly and somewhere over the, and really try to compose them. So somewhere, and then smaller type over the rainbow. Make sure you watch your alignment. Remember from the videos in typography, especially a small composition like this, it's really going to go a long way to enhance the organization or the sense of organization if things are aligned. So always try to align something with something else in typography. So for example, if you take somewhere over, all right, and then this O would be aligned with something, whether it's the beginning, a letter, or the end of another word. Okay, so somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. And then so you could even do something like this. You could say somewhere and then centered over the rainbow and then back over here to left align with somewhere bluebirds fly. And something like that I think would show your emphasis based on scale and based on contrasts, as well as organization based on alignment, creating a good harmony where the typographic relationships are harmonious in that they're carefully placed as opposed to randomly placed. Okay, and that's what I would like to see. I really want you to push the experimentation here, but really try to maintain this sense of order in the composition. And that's what typography is about. You can experiment with typography as long as there's a sense of order and a good sense of communicative value. All right, so try that, and I think those are I would like to see those changes for your final submission. If you have any questions, Brandon, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer anything. Okay, great start. Thank you very much.